One of the loudest voices online was a man previously linked to the controversial and mysterious death of a 23-year-old flight attendant in 2021, though later cleared by authorities, the notorious fame whore and clout chaser Valentin Rosales. In a DM screenshot now spreading everywhere, Rosales openly accused Ivan of killing Gina. With that, the online mob descended. Accusations, bashing, character assassination, all before a single autopsy report was released.
What happened next was fast, brutal, and unforgiving. By the time the violence stopped, Gina was motionless, her future stolen by the person she trusted most. But he didn't flee. He staged the scene, wiped surfaces, pretended it was an accident.
So, itong taong ganito, hindi na nila kailangan ng drugs or enhancement or epekto ng ano ba yung sa bodybuilding, pre?